Open your book to page 36. This is lesson 1.13b, and this is lesson on finding the area. Now for area, you need to know the formula. Basically means you find out how many square of 1 by 1 can fit inside the shape. And so let's go over some examples. So on example 4, page 37, it says find the area of the rectangle with length of 9 and width of 6. So again, you have rectangle, so right away, when you see a word rectangle, right away draw a rectangle and label length, width, length, width. Now it tells you that rectangle with a length of 9 and width of 6. So basically what you do is you imagine that you can divide into 9 means you can divide into 9 strips. Okay, so divide into 9, and 6 means you can divide into 6. So area is how many squares are in here. And again, the area of the rectangle is length times width. So there are 9 and there are 6, so 9 times, so area equal to 9 times 6. So area equal to 54, and you have to label, so it be inch square, because this is inch and this is inch, right? So inch times inch give you inch square, right? So this is so the area equal to 54 square inches. Okay, let's go to example 5. It says find the area of the square playground if the length of each side is 20 feet. So you have a playground, it's a square, each side is 20 feet. Imagine that you can cut this, right? There's going to have 20 of them, and you're going this way, right? Okay, now again, don't waste time doing this. I'm just do that as an illustration. So the area is how many squares are in there. So again, in this case, it's a square. You still can use side times side, okay? Okay, doesn't matter. You can make if you pretend that, well, actually, this is a special case of that. So you can do the length times width, but in this case, length and width are the same. Okay, so in this case, it's side times side, so it's side square. So for a square, it's a side to the second power. So area, or just same thing as side times side. So either way, so area equal to 400. Now this is feet times feet, so you have to have a feet square, right? So the label must have a square for the area. Okay, let's go to example 6. So it says, what is the cost to tile a kitchen that's 12 feet long and 8 feet wide if the ceramic tile costs $3 per square foot? Okay, so you have a kitchen, a rectangle, you can label length, width, right? So the length is 12 feet. You can write everything down. Again, don't do everything in your head. You write it down so you can show people what you're doing. Again, remember the goal of math is not just getting the answer for yourself, right? The goal is you want to show people how to get to the answer, right? And so the width is 8 feet. And the cost is $3 per square foot. So cost equal to $3 per square feet. You can use abbreviation, right, per square foot. Okay, so again, the area of the rectangle is length times width. So you need to know that, right? So area, you can write down the formula, then you substitute. Again, the goal is you have to show people how to get the answer, not just do it for yourself. Okay, so that's why you want to write down the formula so people can follow what formula to use and what to do. So area is length times width. So its length is, so substitute. So area equal to 96 square feet, right? Because this is feet times feet, so you get square feet. Now you have to figure out the cost. The cost is $3 per square foot, right? So every square foot is $3, and there are 96 of them. So you times by 96. So the cost, again, don't forget your dollar sign, your label, right? So it'll be $288. Use your calculator and multiply out, and that's your answer.